Meaning of donnish.
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 donnish,
Donnish. Donnish refers to something that is characteristic of or relating to scholars or academics, particularly in an overly pedantic or intellectualized way. It can also describe a person who is excessively focused on academic pursuits or who uses language and concepts that are difficult for others to understand. In essence, donnish suggests a kind of elitism and exclusivity within academic circles where those who are not part of this world might struggle to keep up with the language and ideas being used. It can also carry negative connotations of being overly dry or dull in approach.